This is the top inbound section of Aware, where you can engage automatically with people who engage with you the most. So I'll go to the Aware and then the top inbound section, and then usually go to newest. I might change to one max post per user in the last 2 days. And then you can see a progress bar here showing me how far I am toward my commenting goal. And then I have an engagement feed right here that I can leave comments on. So let's do an example. This is kind of like a milestone post of hers. Leave a comment. Great. And then when I hit reply and like, it just scrolls me right back up to the top so I can engage with more people in my top inbound feed. So again, the people whose posts you see here are similar to the ones you'll find in the top engagers part of the network tab, except that it's only the inbound people. So the people who've engaged with you inbound, which you'll see in this column here, the top of them are going to be the ones you see their posts of in the top inbound engagement feed here. So this, you do not have to do anything. You can add these people to other custom lists you've created. You can also save posts that you find in the top inbound feed into your drafts folder if you want to address the same topic going forward. But you don't have to create this list yourself. So this is not a list you need to create. We do this for you. My recommendation is to use the top inbound tab for a few minutes and engage with 5 to 10 posts before each of your own posts goes up on LinkedIn and gets published. Because if these folks are engaged with you in the past, then they're more likely to engage with you in the future too. So writing a comment on their post is a good way to say, hey, I'm contributing something to your content. And subtly, if your post goes up soon, they're more likely to see it.